In this tutorial I will show you how to delete your Tinder account permanently on your mobile phone. First, open Tinder app. Then tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page. Here you can find a delete account option. Tap on that. If you would like to keep your account but not be shown to others, you can pause your account. But if you like to delete your Tinder account, click on Delete My Account. Here you can choose the reason why you are leaving Tinder. Or you can tap Skip at the top right. Then on Continue to Account Deletion. That is how you can delete Tinder account.